Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Jenkins County in southeastern Georgia, Screven County in southeastern Georgia, Allendale County in southeastern South Carolina, Hampton County in southeastern South Carolina, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 7 miles west of Millet to over Woodcliff, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sylvania, Hiltonia, Burton's Ferry Landing, Hiltonia, Mill Haven, Altman, Hunters, Millet, Martin, and Woodcliff. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds. Report damage directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 888-383-2024 when it is safe to do so.